Welcome to CH Poser Brews. I'm Tim, and tonight I am joined by my friends Island Time, Mr. Jamaican Dude. Say hi.
Hi.
And by our other friend, Joe0. Say hi, Joe. We decided to do a few of the Ask a Spike Q&A questions, and we let Joe pick out a couple. There's some spicy ones, and then we're going to chat about them. So, Joe, where can people find you on the interwebs, good sir?
I'm in some of the Discords. My Discord name is Joe0, and then I'm on the competitive EDH subreddit, shit posting all the time. So,
as Joe0, Joe01, Joe012.
There's a lot of zeros and ones in my
0123.
No,
I think
just
one of
zeros
them,
and ones.
Oh, I was gonna say, did you actually spell out Joe-O in binary or some shit?
No, that's kind of clever though.
And Sean, what you been up to, man?
Your boys on the MLC. Yay!
From Legit is Blue overtaking the meta. Who would like to start us out?
I'll start. Is Blue overtaking the meta? No, it's not. Actually, I don't know if this is for everyone else, but I have been in a lot of Sans Blue pods recently.
Yo, because ain't that the truth?
I've been in a lot of Sans Blue pods because people are tired of people bitching at them about interaction. And if you don't play Blue, you can't bitch at anybody for playing interaction. You either play the game correctly or we all sit here and race. Because that's what it is. Blue, I've always said Blue is overrated. Blue is a crutch for players.
And yet you miss your Tymna training wheels.
I do, but Tymna isn't Blue, Tim. I don't get that. What you trying to say?
I mean, you play Tymna with Rassios usually.
Sass isn't important. Tymna is important part here. Tymna is important.
Or Crom.
Or Sakashima.
I would jump on that bandwagon.
Mm-hmm.
But no, Blue's overrated. I really stand by that. Blue is overrated. Blue is a crutch. People need to learn a crutch. Like,
wow, that's bold.
I need my blue cards to help me win. I need it. I need my blue cards, boys. I need my force of will because people.
Yeah, but what are you trading now?
Like,
what are you trading for it? Red, Dockside, Underworld Breach.
I don't know, dude. Listen,
duress, deflecting SWAT.
I've been playing. That's mono green card right here.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna play 3 games on that deck, right?
Mono green, guys. That is what I'm playing, and I'm telling you what. Mono green is the way to go.
The entertaining everywhere.
I just sit there and they're like, "Hey, you got a response?" I'm like, "Dude, I'm in mono green. What do you want me to do?"
That's seed time.
What do you want me to do? You went greedy. You want to play all your mana rocks and then tap out every turn. What do you want me to do? Nothing. All right, so you know what I want to do? I'm going to play my damn elves, guys. And I'm going to try to win after I play Marwyn, because that's what I do. I don't give a shit what you want to do. When you think I play Get Rog? Get Rog does not give a damn. People like to say I play Get Rog like a control deck. I mean, sometimes I don't like losing. I mean, I don't. I don't. If I'm going to use an interaction, I'm going to use an interaction to kill a thing.
Right.
Like, I played Marwyn, and this guy played an Underworld Breach, and I was playing with a Shark. And they're like, yeah, guys, don't worry. Jamaican has an interaction. I'm like, dude, I'm in mono green. Please, oh Lord, counter this spell.
You had a nature's claim, right?
I did have the nature's claim in hand, and he was like, yeah, see, he has it, guys. I'm like, dude, that is some dumb shit. Y'all fuckers should counter the goddamn spell. Depending on me in my damn mono green deck. Stop it.
Stop. Don't make me do all the work. I'm in
Don't
mono
let me
green.
do all the work.
I'm gonna
like,
make y'all
mono green.
sad one of these days.
They're like, dude, don't worry, Jamaican got a beast with it. I'm like, motherfucker, please do something. Blue, do it. Oh man,
That's just when you beast within their shit for saying it.
That's for saying it. I'm like, no, you're
not anymore.
And the thing is, I am so capable of doing it, and that's the problem. I'm so capable of doing it. I have this guy pissed me off the other day, and he was like, "Why didn't you just kill it, dude?" Like, I'm like, you know what? You fucking lied to me. Kill the goddamn thing instead. Fuck heuristic study. We're fucking loose here.
It's a 3-3 beast now, bitches.
It's a 3 beast. You're not doing it. The goddamn card. It's like, oh, that's Kingmaker. I'm like, you want to go report me? Go. Go report me. I don't give a shit.
Oh, that's right, because I'm not around to yell at you now.
Nobody yell at me. I do what I want.
Oh shit, that's good.
Maybe Scott will talk to me or Deke will say, Sean, you're doing something wrong. I'm like, until that day.
Maybe when they watch this, they will say something.
Maybe they'll say something.
Is Deke still in the Twitch chat?
No, he probably went to bed.
Is Deacon still on the bed? I think he went to bed because we only have 3 viewers.
Yeah.
God, that's good.
I think back to blue is overrated. I think it's been losing like market share to red. I think red's been just like skyrocketing in representation with all the good cards that have been printed the last couple of years.
Yeah.
And I agree. Like blue is, I think, has been overrated for a long time. Like I've been like cutting heuristic studies for like months, months and months.
Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen,
don't
Joe is a madman. Don't listen to Joe.
He plays Perplexing Chimera.
Okay, that was one deck.
He might say he run the numbers. He might give you some really nerdy shit for why he's doing it, and the numbers might be correct. But please, oh Lord, don't listen to him.
Don't listen to him.
Take it with a grain of salt, people. A grain of salt.
I mean, like I only cut heuristic in decks where it makes sense. Like I'm not running a heuristic in like a turbo hermit druid deck. Like I don't want to be playing. Huh?
I said amen.
I mean, just add Aethervial and you're good, man.
No.
So hot take on that Aethervial thing. Hot take. It's not that bad.
No, it's not.
It's not. I played it with Aethervial. I can see why Aethervial wasn't there. I can. It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
It's really not.
No.
Give the person who did it a lot of shit, but playable card.
I mean, they know stuff.
Eventually, you can just cheat in your Thassa's Oracle at instant.
Exactly, and that's the cute part. Like, it's on 2, boys. Here's this grinder ball of shit. Oops.
Oopsie doodle. Don't mind me.
Don't mind me. Oh shit! I don't know what happened there.
Got him.
What do you think, Tim? What do you think about blue?
Honestly, I do better with non-blue decks.
See,
like, I win more games with Godo and Morrowind and I would say faster non-blue decks. Like, I win a reasonable margin with slower ones, but they're definitely more hard fought. I would say if you're wanting to go like on the mid-range plan, definitely play blue because you want that stack interaction. But I think that it's fine if you're wanting to go faster. I don't know. Right. That's just my take.
No, blue.
I definitely think blue's the best mid-range color. Really? There you go. All right. I was just making faces back at you, man.
I mean, what's you saying, Joe? What your argument is?
I think blue is like really good for filler. Like if you just don't have other cards like for your game plan, you're just like, fuck it, throw in some counter spells. Like,
Wow, that's a nice simple take to it. Blue, fill my deck. I have
I
nothing
mean,
else
let's
to
not
get.
forget about Thassa's Oracle.
yeah, I mean, that's probably the one thing we were all overlooking. Right?
I mean, I wasn't
Listen.
overlooking it. I was just
Yeah.
waiting for you guys to string you along a little.
So I mean, unlike on a non-blue thing, like I've been on a non-blue deck kick for maybe a couple months now, and you need help? Sorry. Thank you. No. I'll help you after. It's almost done. I've been on a non-blue kick recently, and
Mm-hmm.
I played a very, very memey deck. Omnath Locus of Rage. And let me tell you what, boys and girls. Most fun I've had in a long, long time. Fun.
Was it cEDH?
Ooh, no, Tim. It was not. I played a 7-drop commander, double red, double green. And I'm going to tell you a little story time again. Why I took that deck apart, boys and girls, is when I became the threat at the table with three other Nas deck. I was considered the threat. And I'm saying I am done with this. I played this deck not to be a threat.
Did they like whiff on their noses and then end with like 3 life?
No, they're like, dude, you're gonna make a bunch of firefighters and shoot my board. I'm like, what? What is your 2-card combo? Is it good enough versus my 7-drop player Lansing? Oh, is that too strong for you, sir? Is that too strong? And they're like, yeah, no, we gotta keep hitting you. I'm like, there's an Annos player at the table.
3 of them.
3 of them. You're gonna come at me. Like, yeah, dude. I'm like, they ain't got no blockers either. Like, I'm gonna come at you. I'm like, all right. I don't know what's wrong with this table right here. I don't know what's wrong with it. But y'all
So
need
you
to get your
played some
shit
lands
together.
and like hit him for like 30 power, right?
So the game before I win. So the problem was the game before I won, right? Game before I won.
Right.
I won on turn 4. And they didn't let that shit go. I won on turn 4. I was like, okay, we're playing cards like, let me set the table for everybody. Horn of Greed, a 3-drop artifact that reads, whenever I play a land, whenever anybody plays a land, they draw a card. Anybody. Fucking group hug card in cEDH. I play that card. I play Kalani Heart Expedition. Need people to follow me now. It's an enchantment, that 2-drop enchantment. When it gets 3 quest counters on it, you fetch for 2 basic lands that enter the battlefield tapped. These are the cards I am playing, ladies and gentlemen.
Tell them how you killed that table, though, the game before.
Oh, game before. So we did our thing. I have a card, very card dear to my heart, called Ogre Battle Driver, with an Azusa in play. Ogre Battle Driver reads, whenever a creature enters the battlefield, they get +2/+1 haste. I have 4 land drops. I played 4 land drops. Got 4 5/5s.
No, you got 4 7/5s.
4 7/5s, sorry.
The haste.
Swing, put someone to like a very low number because they don't want to block. Then play a greater good. And then start digging. And then we played Kodama and a Gruul Turf, which was the Is It Boilerworks. Just for the complete bullshit that what I do. Because I couldn't find a Gruul Turf. So, we Kodama, Omnath, we see the thing. We make infinite 5/5s.
Infinite
Because
5/5s off of the turf.
Off the turf, because bounce it, return it, elemental, loop
replay.
it.
Yeah.
They're like, oh my God, that is awesome. We should definitely not let that happen again. That is what the table consensus came to. We should not let that happen again. And the next game we played, these boys hard target me.
They're afraid of your 7/5s.
The Gruel deck, my guy.
Yeah.
Not a heroic Thar. I could understand if it was a heroic Thar. Maybe I could understand if heroic Thar.
They love hard targeting heroic Thar too.
Yeah, because they don't want to take 6 because they're and I was like, ooh,
right. I mean, that's why I stopped playing Thar most of the time.
But I'm like,
they're not gonna take 6, they're gonna take like 30.
Yeah, they'll take like 18 damage to kill Thar, and then
and I'm like, when I wasted 7 mana to play an Omnath, and then a dude said, yo, gain 5 life with his swords, and there's a crumb on the field. I'm like, I feel like it's time to rage quit. Like, say what?
Is that what he beats within his Ristic study?
Ooh. You know what? Yeah, because I'm a vengeful boy, Tim. I'm a vengeful boy.
Salty
ass guy.
Salty.
And that's why Blue is bad, because people don't know how to use it. But anyways.
Because people don't know how to use it. Oh boy. All right, you guys, think that's about it. Joe, where can everybody meet you?
On the internet.
Where can they interact with you on the interwebs? One more time for the for the going away.
I'm in various Commander Discords. You can find my name on Discord's Joe0, and then on Reddit, I'm a shit poster, Joe with a bunch of 0s and 1s.
They're all Smurf accounts. Don't reply to them. Don't feed the trolls.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, Deke is in the chat still.
Yeah, Deke's still there. Have a terrible flight. That's right. Well, I'm Timmy T1000 with my buddy Jamaican dude who had to step away for a minute, hence why we have his lovely GT portrait up. If you like what you see here, hit the like, share, subscribe, blast the bell. If you'd like to support us, you can go to patreon.com/cEDH Budget Brews. Give us $1. It helps keep the lights on, pay for all the stuff, the website, things like that. And have a good night.